Forest woodcutters are experienced individuals with considerable physical strength, specializing in working with tools such as chainsaws to cut large trees. They work in difficult conditions amidst wild nature and often face many challenges from weather, difficult terrain, and tree heights. The process of transporting wood out of the forest often uses motorbikes with powerful engines, designed specifically for moving in mountainous terrain. These vehicles can overcome rough terrain, muddy trails, and sometimes even streams. They tie chopped tree trunks to the back of their vehicles, then deftly move them out of the forest, requiring high driving skills and coordination to keep themselves safe and protect the wood from damage. With work that is dangerous and requires strength and skill, woodcutters and wood transporters in the forest are symbols of courage and perseverance in the harshest conditions of nature. Forest woodcutters were steadfast and courageous workers, often working in harsh conditions. They used chainsaws and hand tools to fell large trees, and this job requires not only physical strength, but also technique and knowledge of trees and terrain. After being cut down, the massive tree trunks are tied tightly to old but strong motorbikes, turning them into steeds to overcome the bumpy, rocky roads of the deep forest. Each motorbike is customized to handle heavy loads of wood, with a heavily reinforced frame and seasoned wheels. Vehicle drivers must have extremely steady steering because the roads in the forest are often steep and slippery, and sometimes even muddy or full of obstacles. They must know how to balance between heavy loads and poor road conditions so as not to overturn or skid. In addition, during the journey from the forest to the gathering point, the workers also have to coordinate well with each other, often supporting each other in case someone's car gets bogged down or has a problem. This creates a strong team spirit, and that helps them overcome the challenges of this hard and risky job. When large trees are transported to the lumberyard, they are large and long logs, maybe meters in diameter and tens of meters in length, full of weight and majesty. These tree trunks originate from remote forests, carefully selected before going through a long journey to the factory. At the factory, workers begin sawing wood, a process that requires both strength and high technology. First, giant logs are fed into large cutters or bandsaws, industrial machines with long, powerful saw blades. Sawmillers must be careful in each movement of the machine, because with just one small mistake, the saw blade can become misaligned, damaging the entire wood or endangering people around. When the saw starts to operate, each hissing sound is heard as the sharp saw blade cuts through the solid wood. The sawyers carefully monitor each cut, ensuring that the boards are cut evenly and without errors. Through the hands of skilled craftsmen, rudimentary wooden trunks gradually turn into large, flat, smooth wooden panels, ready for the next stages. After being cut, the giant wooden panels will be neatly stacked, waiting to be processed or transported to another place. From here, they will continue their journey, possibly becoming wooden floors, furniture, or even construction materials for large projects. This work requires the ingenuity and diligence of each worker, and is the first step in the process of turning wooden trees in the deep forest into finished products to serve life. Tree fellers are one of the most efficient wood-cutting tools in the logging industry. This is a machine with a sturdy boom arm, Equipped with clamps and a large saw blade at the head to grip trees, saw them and lower them to the ground in a safe and controlled manner. The tree cutter is capable of cutting down dozens of trees per hour, a speed that no sawyer can match. The machine's robotic arm can rotate and move flexibly, helping to place the cut trees in a convenient location for transportation. After the trees have been cut down, the timber tractor will pull the heavy tree trunks from the felling area to larger collection points or roads. Skidder has arms with large hooks or clamps, helping to pull each large tree trunk through muddy or rough forest roads. Large wheels with deep tread tires, or sometimes chains, help the skidder move on any terrain, including mud or steep slopes. This is a machine designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the deep forest. Forwarders are effective timber transport machines, especially used to transport large tree trunks from temporary collection points to main collection locations or timber yards outside the forest. This machine has a crane arm that helps lift and stack the tree trunks onto the wood container behind it. The container is large and sturdy, able to hold a large amount of stems before moving. Modern forwarders are also equipped with GPS navigation systems in dust-proof and noise-proof cabins to help operators feel more comfortable when working for long hours. These machines not only help speed up logging, but also help reduce manual labor, optimize transportation processes, and ensure safety during the logging process. With advanced technology, they help people exploit forest resources effectively while still maintaining environmental protection standards. Each step takes place with the smooth coordination between people and high-capacity machines, helping to turn giant tree trunks into diverse wooden products. The giant wood sawing machines here are like steel monsters, both powerful and precise, specifically designed to handle tree trunks with large diameters and heavy weights. These machines have large bodies, weighing many tons, reinforced with high-quality metal to withstand extreme vibration and pressure. Some machines are installed on metal tracks or fixed foundations to assist in moving the tree trunk into the correct cutting position. Machine parts are coated with protective paint to prevent corrosion and increase durability in harsh working environments. System. It can be a giant circular saw blade with a diameter of 1 to 2 meters or long band saw blades placed along the machine. The saw blades are made from super hard alloy steel, and the serrated blade is carefully tempered to achieve maximum sharpness, helping to easily cut through the densest wood fibers while still maintaining long-term durability. This saw blade moves at high speed and creates strong cutting force, enough to cut large tree trunks into flat pieces of wood, with customized thickness as required. To ensure safety and high precision, some saw blades are also equipped with a cooling and anti-wear system, helping to maintain continuous performance for many hours. The operator only needs to program the machine according to parameters such as the desired size and thickness of the wood. Then the machine will automatically perform the sawing process. The control panel often has function buttons to adjust the speed, cutting depth and direction of saw blade movement. The machine also has a built-in sensor to automatically adjust cutting intensity when encountering wood of different hardness, helping to save energy and optimize accuracy. Thanks to this system, the sawyer does not need to come into a direct contact with dangerous parts, which is both safe and ensures high work efficiency. brought to the factory, it is placed on a conveyor belt or metal rollers to easily push it into sawing position. These rollers also help rotate and adjust the tree trunk so that it is in the correct cutting direction. Once the tree is in position, the giant saw blade will begin working. The roar of the engine, along with the sharp hissing sound as the saw blade glides through the wood, creates a scene that is both powerful and tense, demonstrating the industrial power of modern machinery. When the saw blade cuts through the tree trunk, each large layer of wood is smoothly separated, producing boards or wooden bars of uniform size. Wooden products are then transferred to further processing stages such as planing, cutting, or drying, depending on production requirements. These modern wood sawing machines save a lot of time and effort compared to manual methods or old machines. With high precision, they ensure wooden products have uniformity and stable quality, while minimizing the amount of wood loss due to sawing errors. With the ability to process large volumes of wood quickly, these modern wood sawing machines have revolutionized the wood processing industry, bringing high economic efficiency and meeting the increasing demand for wood production of the market.
What do you think about this? Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch the next clips. Thank you.